Good evening, my lovely friends, and happy Vlogmas day 13, that's right. It is Friday the 13th and I'm gonna have to say I've had a pretty crappy Friday. Work was hard today. I just had a really hard day at work with, customers abusing you two-face and just dealing with people that are really difficult. So yeah, I think the most important thing I need to say for today is please, when you go into a retail store, please be nice to the person behind the counter. They are doing their best and they're doing their job to the best they can in the environment that they have been put in. And yeah, just be nice, just be kind, please be patient. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, it is about 10 o'clock at night and I'm only just starting the vlog because I've been at work. I was going to do a craft with Graham today, but I'm really not in the mood. I just not in the mood to be fun and jovial and, I'm salty, I'm angry with the world and annoyed. But anyway, I'm trying to say it with a smile on my face, and yeah, but it's just one of those days. Anyway, thank you to everyone for your lovely comments on my wreath from yesterday. I've still got it here. I haven't moved it or touched it or put it anywhere. I need to put a photo of it on my Instagram because I haven't put anything on my Instagram in ages. So I'm going to do a nice photo of that over the weekend because I'm not working tomorrow. But tomorrow I've got a ton of chores, lots of things to tick off the list. So yeah, I'll try and get a nice photo of that tomorrow. I did manage to bring home the one that I did at work when I mentioned that I did a demonstration of it. And I'm gonna have to say my second version is a whole lot better than my first version. This is just so sad. This is the one that I made at work. It's a little bit bigger actually. I didn't stuff it as much. Oh, it looks awful. So it doesn't have a lot of like stability. It's really, whereas this one, it's really like holding its shape. But with this one I used some Christmas fabrics at work. The fabrics that I used were actually by the same designer that did this Australian one that I did here that I showed you. She's an Australian designer. Her name is Jocelyn Proust, and we have like a really lovely range of all of her quilting fabrics at work, and it's all Australian themed. And then she's also done a Christmas range as well, so I used some of her fabrics in this one. I'm actually quite tempted just to sort of like pick this one apart and redo it, just make it a little bit tighter because it's not very good. So this is maybe a tip just to, if you don't get it quite right the first time, try again, and it's usually the second time you'll get the results that you want. I managed to bring home some of the fabrics that I used in that wreath. The first one, this is part of her range. So it's got little kangaroos and trees on it. Really super sweet. And I just like how it's like non-traditional colours, like pinks and blues. I mean, who thinks of using those kind of colours at Christmas? And it works. The next one is this one with all of the really cute little Australian animals, and they're all wearing Christmas hats. How sweet are they? There's a little koala in there, and a wombat, and a kookaburra here. This is a galah, an emu, and a echidna, so that one's super sweet. And then I have two of my favourite prints from her Christmas range. The first one is this one with a gorgeous little galah on it, and this is a flower that we call a bottle brush because it looks like a bottle brush. We actually have this tree out in our backyard and it flowers during spring, but it's very messy. All of the little red little bits fall all over the grass and it's just messy as heck, but it's a beautiful, beautiful tree. Then the other favourite from her range this year was this one with just Santa and a little wombat, and he has little reindeer antlers on. How cute is that? Super sweet. Jeez, I mean seriously, fabric like this just brings me so much joy. That's kind of all I really wanted to share with you today. That's all there really is to share with you today. I think we should move on to do the advent calendar. Let's see what's in there. Hopefully there's something in there that will, you know, make me feel a bit happy. And not so like cross and angry and salty with the world. It's getting a little bit lighter now. We're halfway through the month, pretty much, aren't we? It's insane. So hopefully we should still have a few nice little goodies in here. So we're looking at the 13th and it's all the way up the top. So I might move you. The door is all the way up here. It's a smallish kind of door. I can't predict what could be behind there. We've already got needles, pins, chalk. I don't know, what could it be? Notions sewing machine needles. Oh, so I'm assuming that Notions by Sewing Quarter is like a brand or version of sewing needles that the Sewing Quarter do. These are machine needles, assorted machine needles. Size 11, 14, 16 and 18. Oh, that's a good selection. Cool, well they're all in there, I can fill them. So I'm not going to open it, but that is day 13. So another door opened in our advent calendar. We've only got, was that 9 more days? 9? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, a little bit more. I'm so off with maths. I'm awful at maths. So quite a few more days to go. So that's pretty much it for the day. Thank you all very much for watching, whatever this is. I do appreciate you guys being really supportive when I have days like this where it really is a nothing day and it is what it is, really. And I really do appreciate you being supportive about it because it just takes the pressure off me. And I don't feel like, I don't know, like it's just, you know, it's just not worth you watching. But yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if I've just sort of just totally brung the mood down on your day. I do apologize. Yeah, I just wish today was better, that's all. I just want to say again, just please be nice to people, be patient, and you know, just don't take life so seriously. Go with the flow and just, yeah. I don't know. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Tomorrow will be better, I promise. Tomorrow is full of chores and things happening. So I'm going to take you along. Let's just do it. People have requested to see more of my life, more of outside of my sewing room. I'm so like I just so much love just sharing my bubble with you, so we'll try and get out of the bubble tomorrow and share a little bit more of what life is like for me, or what my world is like. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Again, for about the 10,000th time, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 14. Bye.